Welcome everyone, I am Ujjwal Pal. Today we will solve a LeetCode problem step by step. The problem number is 624, which is maximum distance in arrays. Let's see the problem description. You are given m arrays where each array is sorted in ascending order. You can pick any two integers from two different arrays, each array picks one, and calculate the distance. We define the distance between two integers a and b to be their absolute difference and return the maximum distance. And the constants are m will be, or the length of the arrays will be from 2 to up to 10 to the power 5, and the length of arrays I, like the each of the element present in arrays, the length of that array which will be sorted will be from 1 to 500, and the elements will be from negative 10 to the power 4 to positive 10 to the power 4, and arrays I will be sorted in ascending order, and there will be at most 10 to the power 5 integers in all arrays. Okay. So let me discuss the algorithm we do. We need to find the top two highest element and the bottom two lowest element. Okay, and we will check if the highest element and the lowest element's index are same. Then we need to find the maximum difference, like maximum between the two absolute difference, and the two absolute difference will be the highest element and the second lowest element, and the second highest element and the first lowest element. Okay, this will be the two, like we will get two values and we will need to return the maximum of those. And if the highest element and the lowest element are not at the same index or same like array index at the arrays, and then we can just return the absolute difference of them. So we'll do the same algorithm but in a different approach. First, what we will do, the second approach, we will count the minimum and maximum till the previous index of the current index. Okay, previous index, we need to find the minimum and maximum. How we can do that? Because the array is sorted, so we will update the minimum for after each iteration by the minimum index, which is like minimum element, which is the first element, and the maximum element of the, which is the last element of the current array, and we will keep track of those two, like the minimum till now and the maximum till now, like the previous index till the previous index. And we have the two minimum and maximum of the current, which is the first element is the minimum and the last element is the maximum of current array. Okay, and we will check like the answer, we will update the answer for like this. We will update the answer, the maximum of the two difference, which is the maximum till now and the minimum of current index, like current array, and the minimum of till now and the maximum of current. Okay, the difference. And you can see if I write the code. So first I need the n is arrays dot size, and we need the minimum will be the array 0 0, this is the minimum, and maximum will be arrays initially value or arrays 0, and dot, you can also look r begin, and we have to put a star at the front. This will be the maximum element for the first element present in arrays, and we will traverse in I equal to from 1, because we already get the minimum maximum for the 0th element, so we will start from 1 and I less than n I plus plus. So first we need the current maximum minimum element, which is current, let's say maximum or current minimum equal to the arrays of I, its minimum, that means it is the first element, and in current max element will be arrays of I, max is the last element, we can say dot r begin, and we need to put a star over here. Now we got the current max min element and we also have the maximum and min element till the previous index. So the answer, we need one answer also. The initially let's answer is 0 and we need to update the answer. The difference can't be because we are calculating the maximum difference and absolute difference. So the absolute difference, we will keep the minimum absolute difference, which is 0 initially. That's why we are keeping 0 as the initial value, and we'll update the answer as maximum of answer and the max difference of absolute difference of till now the maximum element minus the current minimum and absolute of the current max and the minimum element till now. Okay, that's it. So we updated the answer. Then we need to update the minimum and maximum element. Okay, the minimum will be minimum of till now the minimum or the current minimum, and the maximum will be max of maximum element till now or the current maximum. Okay, that's it. And after that, we need to return the answer. Okay, let's see will it work or not. It is accepted. Let's submit it. So it is accepted. Let me discuss the time and space complexity video. The time complexity will be big of n because we are traversing the whole arrays and we are not traversing the inner arrays. Okay, like in each index there is an array. We are not traversing that array. We are just traversing the outer array. Okay, so the overall time complexity will be big of n, where n is the length of the outer array. Okay, not the inner array. And the space complexity will be big of constant because we are not using any arrays or anything which is depending on the length of arrays. We are just creating some variables. So the overall space complexity will be big of constant, or you can say big of 1. So thanks for watching. If you want to check out the code, you will find it in the description box below. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.